You guys, we just arrived here at the Golden Nugget in downtown Vegas. We're gonna hopefully get checked in and we'll show you what our room looks like. Okay, you guys, we just got checked in here at the Golden Nugget in Las Vegas. So we did get our room comped, although we paid for an upgrade. We wanted to be in the Rush Tower away from Fremont Street because it's very noisy. Last time we stayed here, it was very, very noisy. So here's the bathroom, as you can see. Interesting, huge tub. That's a big step in there, isn't it? So we'll see how the water pressure is. Sometimes those rain heads are not the best. Hopefully it's hot. And
private toilet area.
So 2 sinks, full-size mirror, and a lot of room on the vanity, to put all my stuff, so that's good. And water closet over here, the door, which is nice, that's separate. And the closet here.
Good size.
Oh, that's really
good size.
That's actually very large for a standard room. Usually we have a little tiny one. And our last one, the bar was really short. Remember? We couldn't even
it had to be like handicap accessible or something.
hang stuff. Yeah, it was really strange. So they do have a Keurig coffee maker with 4 pods, and they do give you 4 full-size waters every day, which
That's
we
nice.
never find that. And
very nice TV.
Yeah, nice TV. And the fridge is, where's the fridge? Okay, got to test to see if it's cold.
It's cold.
Yay, okay.
It's cold.
We find many a fridge that is not cold, so that is good. They have a safe.
Nice.
Always
and then
good.
We got 3 drawers.
Nice. And a ton of counter space here.
Yeah.
My goodness gracious. I'll back up so you can see. So it's actually a good sized room, isn't it?
It is.
Very
spacious.
It is.
2 full-size chairs and table.
Yeah, and it feels good in here. It doesn't smell weird, or it doesn't even smell like cleaner. It just smells.
The carpet looks relatively new. Everything.
Yeah.
And we've got a nice view of the Strip.
So full size mirror, little conversation area. And the window, I think they've had some rain, pretty dirty, but can see the Strip. So probably tonight that will be pretty cool.
Yeah.
I think that'll be pretty cool. So make sure you stay tuned till the end of the video, and we're gonna let you know what we think of our room and our stay here at the Golden Nugget Vegas. Hey you guys, we're just leaving Vegas. Checked out of the Golden Nugget Las Vegas. It's in downtown, and we had stayed there, I think it was about a year ago. And we liked our experience. However, we were on the noisy side, on the Fremont side, and it was so noisy over there. So we thought we would try it again. This time asked for the side away from the Fremont street noise in the same tower, the Rush Tower. And overall, I think we had a great stay.
Yeah, what a difference. You couldn't hear Fremont at all. The room was so quiet.
It was so quiet, yeah. And the way it's configured is nice. There's so many different hallways. It's not like one long hall for all the rooms. There's 4 of them off we were towards the end of our little hallway, so that helped too. But it was very quiet. Our room was good sized and clean and modern, and I thought the beds were comfy, linens were good. You agree?
Yeah, very comfortable pillows. They had a nice TV, a nice refrigerator.
Yeah,
it comes with a coffee maker, a Keurig.
Yeah, it's so nice when they have a Keurig in the room. And you don't find this anywhere. They actually give you 4 full-size water bottles every day, which,
when it's 100 degrees.
Yeah, 100 degrees, and you're making coffee in the room. I mean, that's really worth a lot. So we were happy about that. And the air conditioner worked great.
Yeah,
I mean,
really nice.
there were moments it was downright cold in our room, which is kind of welcome when you're in Vegas in September, because it's pretty hot. But and it had a fan that kept going constantly. It wasn't cycling. It kind of kept that white noise going all night, which was really nice. And the bathroom, as you saw in the video, I mean, it's very nice, very spacious, separate little area, water closet. And the only thing I want to note about that is the shower head. If you would try to wash your hair with long, thick hair, it's very hard. The pressure was not good. So
it's kind of a rain head shower.
Yeah, so to try to get to the underside of your hair is not easy to get shampoo out or conditioner out. But I'll tell you, that sucker got hot.
Yeah.
I mean, almost scalding. The nozzle, or the, what do you call it? The controller. Yeah. I mean, you
turned it just barely.
Yeah, just a tiny bit, and it would go to either like scalding hot or cold.
Yeah.
So it took a while to kind of figure out where that happy medium was. I mean, we're always happy to have a hot shower, but yeah, the pressure wasn't great. Other than that, I would say the Rush Tower we really like because it is nearby the parking structure. I mean, it's a very easy walk to your car, back and forth, bringing all your stuff. There's an elevator to go down, and then you have your own set of elevators for that tower, like right there.
Yeah.
So,
and it's away from the casino. It's just very quiet.
Yeah, very quiet. And we were fortunate. We were able to check in at 1 o'clock, which we just thought, we'll go see if we can get in. And we actually were able to. But they've really changed the check-in process. It used to be, staff members standing up there at 5 or 6. We would show up. They've gone to the kiosk system. So there's like maybe 4 to 6 kiosks, I would say.
Yeah, it's like the airport.
Yeah, it's totally like the airport. In
like checking in for the
middle of the lobby area.
Yeah.
And then they did have one staff person like helping people at the kiosk, because things that are supposed to be easy aren't always easy. And then they had a staff member behind the desk. So if you want to request a certain tower, which we did, and a certain side of the hotel, tower, which we did, we wanted the quiet side, I definitely recommend going up to talk to the live person.
Yeah, because otherwise we would have been, again, I think if we had used the kiosk, we would have been on the noisy side, because she did move us.
Yeah, because
it gave us a higher floor.
Yeah,
so.
and she was very helpful.
Yeah.
Very helpful. And they do charge for parking if you're not a hotel guest, but as a hotel guest, I think it's $25 a day.
Yeah, 25.
So that was waived, which is good as well. And the Golden Nugget Vegas, the casino area is really nice. We really like it. Good energy.
Boy, it's active.
It was so crowded. We were there during the week,
people.
and it was so crowded. And they have a lot of restaurants to choose from. We actually were eating all different places this time, but we've certainly tried a couple of them before, and they've been good. But overall, I think our experience was very good at Golden Nugget. I would definitely stay there again.
Oh, yeah. We like it a lot. And, like Stacy said, it's a really nice casino, really nice restaurants, and they've got tons of bars and really good energy and just really good staff, too, I think.
Yeah, the staff was very friendly. And also, where it's located on Fremont, it's a good location. You can go to the left and head towards Plaza, or to the right towards El Cortez. So you're kind of right in the heart, which makes it nice too for restaurant choices and everything too. So
yeah, we did have a hiccup with the housekeeping, which we were there 2 nights, and I called housekeeping in the morning the one day we were going, and they didn't show up, and so I called them again, said we were going to dinner. They said they'd be up and clean the room. Came back after dinner, they still hadn't been there. And I called and said, just can we get some towels and bottles of water? And they said, sure. And we came back around 11:30, 12 o'clock, and the poor guy was in the room, making up the room with, all the stuff we asked for. I felt really bad for him, but that was really the first time that we've had any kind of hiccup with housekeeping. Usually it's been very good.
Yeah, and I mean, I'll tell you, I was impressed he was there at 11:30 at night. I mean, he certainly didn't need to be, and all he really wanted was towels and water.
I know, at that point just wanted towels and water. But
bless his heart, he completely cleaned our room, so it emptied our trash and everything. So
changed out the light bulb and one of the lamps. And
yeah, but they're all so nice there.
Yeah.
I really found all the staff members extremely friendly and professional. So I definitely would stay there again. I think you would too.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Yeah, so let us know if you stayed at Golden Nugget Las Vegas, and if so, what you thought. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, you guys. It is free, and we'll see you on the next